Gun fun, baby.
Yeah.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
There's my combat companion.
Hi.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You nervous?
A little bit.
No, don't be nervous. We have to make an important stop. Just a quick stop for liquid breakfast. The other day, when I went through to Hout Bay for the seals, the Uber driver, he was kind enough to stop for me to buy some monsters.
Okay.
In fact, if you haven't seen the video yet, I'll leave the link below, check it out. But those monsters, I actually got a little bit of a roasting. One or two people made some interesting comments about energy drinks and too much sugar and blah blah blah.
Yes.
So, bearing that in mind, see, am I not the responsible one? No sugar.
Are you going to have that in the movie? That's nice, dear.
It's in the movie. The package that we are doing today, this is the Special Forces package.
Okay.
And it's basically a, I can't see, a .22 assault rifle.
Okay.
That's with 20 shots, a 12 gauge shotgun, 6 shots, and a Glock pistol, 18 shots.
Okay, cool. We get those 3 guns that we're going to...
You're going to fire all 3.
Okay.
But I'm more excited about the shotgun.
Oh, okay, I'm excited about the Glock.
The Glock?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's small?
Because, no, I don't even know what size it is. Because you read about it in books.
Okay. So you like holding small things?
I don't know the sizes of these guns. I'm not a gun person.
Okay.
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm quite excited as well.
I think it's an awesome build-up
What?
to what's going to be a great experience.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
Why you got the giggles? This is like a tactical combat thing, and you've got the giggles. This makes me worry. But what to expect? I don't know. I've never been there before, but yeah, but I'm quite excited to see what it's about. I think we're almost there, but
Yeah.
City Guns, Gun Fun, Hout Street, Cape Town City Centre. Elouise.
Yes.
How's it, Jason? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
That'll do.
Safety go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright, check it there. Check it there.
Thank you so much. It was an absolute pleasure. It was like really fun.
Please do come again.
But highly recommend it. You need to do this. Hey?
Yeah, that was awesome. You're so good at it.
What do you think?
Yeah.
But did you check the targets? There was that one. It was the hostage in black, and it was the hostage negotiator behind him in grey, sort of sticking out to the side. And I think I probably killed the hostage about 100 times, and the negotiator maybe 6 times. But I think the hostage deserved it, because what was he doing there in the first place? But I don't look at who I'm shooting. I'm looking at the fact that I actually got quite a few wicked headshots. Hey?
No, you did.
That was pretty exciting. That was great fun. The shotgun, hell of a kickback, hell of a blowback. I think he said it was the American-made shotgun, 12 gauge. But seriously awesome. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also leave your comments down below. But until the next video, cheers and bye. Expert Stoff. Expert Stoff. This is one for the blooper reel. What was that? I mean, you fired a weapon before, but never a gun. Right? We're off to gun run. No, not gun run. What's it called?
Gun fun.
Gun fun. We're off to gun fun.
Gun fun.